what is that? We're gonna stabilize for a second. So you see this sledgehammer, right? And this ain't nothing, you know, new. Grip sports, if you're into that, you know exactly what this is, right? The coin lift. James Rodriguez does this a lot. So, Robert Miller too. So, I'm gonna take this sledgehammer, only 6 pounds, but you also know when you grab here, it's very light. Grab toward the end is very challenging. I'm gonna take this quarter, right? There's that quarter. I'm gonna set it on the end of this sledgehammer, just like that. Y'all hear that? Okay, so my obligation is to lift this up without making the quarter slide off the sledgehammer head. Ready for this? Not as easy, right? Okay, let's try with the right, because God knows I don't have a riser in my right, so let's try that. Once again, quarter. Okay, ready? Nice. This time I'll try and see if I can do it standing up. All right, here we go. Once again, quarter. As you hear my knees crackle. There you go. There it is. Once again, wrist stability, right? Something new. Nothing new, but something I'm gonna start doing. How about we do that? Here we go.